This is a message to our millionaire selves, and anybody who is fucking doubtful, okay? Because this is butter, dude. Dude, this is butter. We're buying 6 of butter from Sam's Club, and we're gonna fucking take a big thing of fucking clams and mix it with some seasoning, and that's gonna be our fucking dinner. And that's all we're gonna fucking eat. Because it takes work, it takes sacrifice. So all you fucking puss boys, man the fuck up. There you go. I love you guys.